Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lilian Tahmasian, and if you haven't seen this channel before, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a really cool review. A few days ago I went to the Desi and Katy Dose of Colors event.
Thank you guys for working so hard on the collaboration, every single product, perfecting the formula, the colors, and just being so into it. It makes me feel so good that I picked the perfect duo to do it.
If you came to party tonight, somebody say yeah!
They were relaunching their second collection with Dose, and it was such a fun event. I filmed for you guys. I really wanted to show you guys. I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of what happened inside the event. Now, I've met Desi and Katy a few times, as well as the Dose owner, Anna, and they are the sweetest people ever. Honestly, just such genuine, beautiful souls, and I just love seeing them all the time. Now, they came out with this gorgeous collection, and honestly, the products to one side, which I haven't even tried, absolutely stunning. The entire collection comes with a eyeshadow palette called Francation. It has the nicest pigmented colors from what I've seen on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. And then it also comes with a highlighter, two highlighters. Okay, so I haven't actually swatched these myself, so I'm excited. Two lipsticks. I have two lip glosses, so Over the Top and The Most. We have two velvet liquid lipsticks. Oh, okay. By the way, you guys, how cute is this little bit of Halloween, autumn, fall vibe going on here? What do you guys think about that? Okay, back to the video. I thought I was going to go ahead and just do like a regular swatch type of video, but then I was like, you know what? No, let me push my boundaries. I never do any crazy makeup looks because I'm scared. But today is the day, you guys. It's the day. So before I go ahead and jump into this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And obviously, let me know your thoughts and comments below. It means the entire world to me. I love you guys so much. Let's get into the video. Bye. Let's go ahead and swatch the palette that I'm going to use. Okay. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh, do you guys smell random things as well? Oh, so right off the bat, it is so pigmented. The packaging is so beautiful. I think it's so different. I've never seen like fabric like this, except with Dose themselves on packaging. So that's really nice. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes because I do want the color to stand out as much as it can. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But how's everyone's weekend? What did you guys do? I had a birthday party and then I went back to San Diego. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a Francation palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use this beautiful color as a base, just like the beige natural one. Apply that all over. I'm going to go ahead and use a flat tiny brush and get as much of this beautiful blue as I can. Just pack it on there. Oh my god, look how pigmented that is. That is insane. Just going to pack it on. Have you guys entered my giveaway in my last video? Let me know if you have. Giving away a whole bunch of makeup. I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful brown to it. And while blending, I'm going to add this into the crease. I probably should have done this before, but it's okay. No worries. I'm going to add this beautiful purple shade and just pack it on, which looks kind of more blue to me right now. Wait, is that it? It's like this blue, but it has like a purple undertone. That's really weird. You're grabbing the same blue and just going underneath the eye area. I'm going to leave a tiny bit of room just in the inner tear duct area because we're going to add color there. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this eye. Once your eyes look the same, I'm going to go ahead and use a different, more precise brush. I'm going to be packing on this beautiful gold shade. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner and then slightly drag it down. You kind of want to exaggerate this look, so if you were to normally kind of stop there, you kind of want to bring it slightly more down. So just to clean up this look, I'm going to be applying Tape Shape to clean it up. Before I continue, I want to set everything, so I'm going to be using my travel size translucent powder. How cute is this little baby? Once you look crazy, you know it's time to move on. So once you apply your mascara, I'm going to let that dry for a second. I'm going to get rid of this excess powder. Then we are going to contour using our Morphe 9 BZ palette. Now I do want to exaggerate this contour a tiny bit, so I'm just going to go above and beyond a little bit. You know, not too much, tiny bit. I'm going to go ahead and use Fuego. Beautiful, this gorgeous color, and I'm gonna pack this on like there's no tomorrow or the day after that. Oh, so creamy. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and chase that down with Chasing the Sun. It's slightly a bit more cool. Ooh. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is it. This is what I was referring to in life. So we have my main and then a Morph Story. Let's see which one we're going to use. I think I'm going to go with a Morph Story. This is a difference, but I'm going to go with the slightly more brown one, the top one. Oh my god, absolutely gorgeous. Love. Should I apply a lip gloss? Or do we keep it this way? I don't know. Oh! I mean, how can you not apply over the top gloss? This takes me back to the 90s and I love it. Just a tiny bit. Spears, 1999, I'm coming for you. Do I want to go for these? Oh, yeah, whatever I do. Do I? Yeah, I do. Okay. The Morphe Flirt Alert lashes. I'm going to go ahead and cut them off because it's a bit too long for me. And slap it on my face. Let's see how this goes. Be right back. Be right back. I'm going to go ahead and attach these beautiful cute stars from Michaels. Now you can get slightly big ones because I just realized I think these may be a tiny bit too small. But I don't know if you can see I applied one on each start of my eyebrow. I'll go ahead and decorate the whole eye area. I'll come back. This is the color that I came up with stars. You can obviously add as many as you want or as little as you like. I'm going to go ahead and add four fake freckles all around my nose, and then this area over here. Slightly do little dots with my Chi lip liner. Check that. So this is the final makeup look. I'm not sure about the fake freckles. I tried my best. They just look a tiny bit bodgy. But let me know what you think of this overall makeup look. I had so much fun creating this. I love stepping out of my comfort zone. New goal at the end of 2018. That's a little awkward. I really had fun filming this makeup look. As I mentioned, this collection is something that Desi, Katy and Anna and the whole Dose team should be so proud of. They did an incredible job there. And you know what? I always say that if a company itself is so sweet and just so nice and understanding, that makes the brand and the product a million times better. A company can have the best product and the best, you know, formula, and it can be amazing, but at the end of the day, if they're not a nice or genuinely just like down to earth good company or good humans that work within the company, then I feel like consumers don't want to get into that and don't want to buy their products. So that does make the biggest difference. So once again, thank you so much to the beautiful Anna, Desi and Katy for sending me the collection and hosting the best events ever. As always, I always have so much fun at their events, and I hope you beauties enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know what you think. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Lilian Tahmasian. It will mean the entire world to me. I love you guys so much. Until next time, keep smiling.